700G Autoloader. The 700G Autoloader is an automatic vacuum conveying system designed to transfer plastic raw materials from storage bins to the hopper of injection molding, extrusion, and blow molding machines. It ensures uninterrupted material feeding, reduces manual handling, and improves production efficiency. Key features: feeding capacity up to 380 kilograms per hour, powerful 1.5 kilowatt motor, single-phase power supply, automatic material conveying system, stainless steel hopper for contamination-free feeding, compact and easy-to-install design, low maintenance and reliable operation, reduces manpower and increases productivity, applications suitable for injection molding machines, blow molding machines, extrusion machines, PET processing lines, plastic recycling plants, industries, served, automotive components, household products, toys manufacturing, electrical and electronics, packaging industry, medical products, agriculture components, furniture industry, and many more industries we served. Benefits: continuous material supply, reduced labor cost, improved machine utilization, consistent production quality, reduced material contamination, enhanced production efficiency, 700G Autoloader, smart material, feeding for continuous production. Maruti Mech Plast Pvt Limited, complete injection molding solutions under one roof.